kill! Triple kill! Ally has been monster!
Fuck a dead body, don't pick 'em up, let 'em drop. East side, 59, with the choppers out to rock. Mama's cry, kids die.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the back.
Going out of my brain, I'm chasing after that fame. Gonna bring you down, gonna bring you down, no stopping on my name. Ain't backing down for no fight, so you better run for your life. Gonna hunt you down like an animal now. Better run like, ooh, I'm ready to go, yeah. You already know, I'm feeling my flow, yeah, it's about to blow. Covering it like a savage, yeah, I'm ready for action. Everyone knows I'm the baddest, yeah, it's about to happen. Ain't nobody gonna stop me now. Ain't nobody gonna bring me down. Ain't nobody gonna stop me now. Ain't nobody gonna
Launch attack!
bring the fire. And I can't be denied.
Good game!
'Cause I'm bringing the fire.
Turtle resurrection! You have slain an enemy!
Cause I'm bringing the fire. You better stay in your lane. It's getting loud. I'm a king and I came to reign. Here to steal and destroy. Burning that midnight oil.
Ally has been slain.
That fire, work hard, but it's not
Enemy has been
ready to go. You already know. I'm feeling my flow. Yeah, it's about to blow. Turning it up like a savage. Yeah, I'm ready to
initiate retreat!
Everyone knows I'm the baddest. It's about to happen. And I can't be denied. 'Cause I'm bringing the fire. And I can't be denied.
Initiate retreat!
'Cause I'm bringing the fire.
Request backup! Launch attack! Initiate retreat!
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All unfortunate, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all around on the mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Food is all around me, her body is fantastic. Oh, natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it. I want a demonstration, and I've always learned it better with my hands-on education. So I need a private session. You get what I'm saying? And they say that she's not easy. No, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better. And it's got me so fixated, and I'm not the type to wait around. I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated. So forget I'm gonna play that.
Slaying the turtle!
Got a body like a goldfish. She like
Your team destroyed the turret!
these rumors got me feeling. I want that body, baby, show me.
Enemy has been slain! Well played!
To keep the party going.
Well played!
These rumors got me feeling lonely.
Initiate retreat!
Baby, show me.
Monster kill!
I want that body, baby, show me.
Well played!
I heard you look good when you're undressed.
Initiate
I heard
retreat!
you like to get away. You like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard your girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Not bad intention.